Hey guys, Travis here from ChordBuddy. I just recently did a video showing how to play the boogie woogie pattern or shuffle pattern using the ChordBuddy. Then I had a request from someone that they've just taken the ChordBuddy off and they wanted to know if I would do one without ChordBuddy. A simple blues pattern without ChordBuddy. So that's what I'm going to show you today. This will actually be in the key of A. ChordBuddy is in the key of G, but because this is a very simple, it's only going to take 2 strings. You're going to only strum 2 strings at the time. We'll go through a little blues pattern. So your first one, what you're going to do, you're going to take your index finger and place it on the 4th string from the bottom. That is the D string. And you're going to put it on the 2nd fret. Okay? And your target strings with your right hand or your picking hand is the 5th and 4th string. And what you want to do is you want to hit only those 2 and both of them at the same time. Like a shortened up strum. Now you may find it helpful to anchor your fingers. I do. I anchor my ring finger and pinky right below the E string there. Just to the right and almost behind the sound hole. That way it keeps your hand from flopping around and you're able to target better. Then what you do is you keep your finger on that and you're going to place your ring finger on the 4th string from the bottom, the D string, at the 4th fret. So you're going to go 2 times, and then then you put your finger on the 4th string, 2nd fret, 2 times, and then take it off. Let me say real quick, you're going to have to bring if your thumb is up here, if you can see your thumb, you're going to have to bring your thumb down to about the middle of the fret. See, when I do that, watch something. My fingers and my hand come in front of the neck. So the more you can get and my wrist bends. See how my wrist is bent there? The more you can get your fingers in front of the neck, the better you're going to be able to stretch. But if you're like this, you can't stretch. There's no way. Finger just won't be able to. All right. So you're going to start there. And then you're going to drop your index finger down 1 string. So now you're going to go to the 3rd string, 2nd fret, and you're going to move your target strings down 1 string. So you're going to now target the 4th and 3rd string. Same pattern, 2 times. Then put your ring finger on the 3rd string, 4th fret, then back. Then go back to your starting position. Then move your index finger up a string. And now that index finger is going to be on the 5th string, counting from the bottom, 2nd fret. And your target string is the 6th string and the 5th string. Same pattern. And then back to starting position. So I'm going to play the whole thing through for you. Pretty cool, huh? So with just a little practice, if you'll work on this, 10 or 15 minutes a day, you'll probably get it the first day. If you've gone through the ChordBuddy system and you've worked on your right hand and in targeted string locations, you'll have no trouble with this. As always, send your request to me at travis@chordbuddy.com. Please like us on Facebook. It is The ChordBuddy. If you're watching this on YouTube, hit that subscribe button and give me a thumbs up if this was helpful to you. And also go to our ChordBuddy website, which is www.chordbuddy.com. Until next time, have a great day. I'm Travis Perry, and you keep on picking.